Happy Kids TV.
Hello kids! Today, we're going to learn the alphabet together. We'll discover each letter with fun music and exciting words. Are you ready? Let's begin! A for airplane. B for bear. C for car. D for dinosaur. E for eagle. F for flower. G for guitar. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kangaroo. L for leaf. M for moon. N for nut. O for octopus. P for pear. Q for quail. R for rocket. S for snake. T for tree. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zipper. Thank you for learning the alphabet with us. Now you know all the letters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time, kids!